Hi, I am from Techie Dialogue. In today's video, we will learn how to create a URL link for a folder. This can be super useful if you want to share a folder with others, making it easy to access. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open Google Drive on your browser. You can simply go to drive.google.com and sign in with your Google account if you're not logged in already. Step 2. Once you're in Google Drive, locate the folder you want to create a link for. If you don't have a folder yet, you can easily create one by clicking the New button on the left and selecting Folder. Step 3. After you've found your folder, click to open it. Now right-click on the folder. A menu will appear and you will need to select the Share option from this menu. 4. A window will pop up showing the link settings. By default, it might be restricted to only certain people. To change this, click on the Anyone with the Link option to make it accessible to anyone who has the URL. Step 5. Now click Copy Link. The link to your folder will be copied to your clipboard, and you can now share it with others via email, text, or any other method you prefer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.